Fall is my absolute favorite season. The leaves falling from the trees, football Saturdays and Sundays, and a few more nice days before winter makes fall the perfect season. With fall around the corner, now is a great time for your customers to start planning for driving in the rain, snow, and icy conditions they may face at the end of fall heading toward winter. Most of your drivers will drive in some sort of adverse weather at some point this fall, so tire maintenance is key to helping them navigate those less than ideal road conditions. Let's review 5 maintenance tips to make your customers' winter a little easier. Our first tip is to check your customer's tire pressure. And yes, that includes the spare tire. Believe it or not, tires can lose 1 pound of pressure for every drop of 10 degrees. So it's important to follow the pressure recommendations in the owner's manual for their vehicle. You should also inspect the tires for bulges and bald spots. Also, check the tread depth of your customer's tires before winter hits. If your customers want a tip to do this on their own, tell them to place a penny into several treaded grooves across the tire. If the tread always covers part of Lincoln's head, your customer has more than 2/32 of an inch of tread depth remaining, which is the recommended tread depth per the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration, or NHTSA. The second tip is, if your customer is still sporting summer or all-season tires, or if they're close to wearing out, recommend a switch to winter tires, especially if you're in an area that has particularly tough winters. With severe weather conditions comes a new set of driving challenges for your customers. Slush, ice, and hard-packed snow can be combated by switching to winter tires. If you swap out your customer's tire with a winter option, don't forget to have those tires rotated. Our third tip is to double-check your customer's brakes. Like I said before, winter weather can make roads unpredictable. So ensuring your customers have brakes and rotors that work well is essential to keep them safe in situations where they may have to brake more often than if they were on roads that were dry. Make sure to do a full inspection, including brake linings, rotors, and drums. If there is noticeable wear and tear, it's time to replace the brakes. Our fourth tip is to check the battery on your customer's vehicle. When checking, look at battery connections to make sure they are tight, clean, and free of corrosion. Cold weather can be hard on batteries, so you'll want to check your customer's battery and charging system. If their battery is more than 3 years old, you may want to replace it regardless of the condition, since there's no warning signs for a failing battery. Our fifth and final tip is to check the heater, defrosters, and wiper blades. In addition to checking your customer's heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system is working properly, this system must be in working condition to help with defrosting. This is also a good opportunity to check their air filters to make sure they're clear of debris. Lastly, check your customer's wiper blades. As a general rule, these should be replaced every 6 months anyway. Also, bonus tip time, don't forget to check the fluid level in the windshield washer reservoir. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. See you next time.